In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an extension on your Chrome browser. To get started, go to Google Apps right here and click on it. And from here, scroll down and look for Chrome Web Store. Click on it to open. From here, you will be directed to Chrome Web Store where all extensions are. From here, select on the extensions option to open the stores where extensions are. Now, from here, scroll down and identify the extension that you want and then click on it to install. Alternatively, you can search the name of the extension using this search function. And once you find it, click on it to open it. Once you are here, go ahead and click on Add Extension. You will get this prompt that asks you to add the extension. Go ahead and click on it. From here, be patient as the extension installs. Now our extension has been installed. To go and manage your extension, you need to go to the extension settings. To do so, go ahead and click on these three icons here. Click on it and then select the extensions function. From the extensions function, click on Manage Extensions. Once you click on Manage Extensions, you will be redirected to a page showing all the extensions that you have on your Chrome browser. As you can see, the extension that we have just installed is here. And if you click on the details, you will get all the details, and you can also manage the settings of this extension from here. If you found this video helpful, kindly like this video and also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.